Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have taught you how to find out square roots using a long division method, correct? Same topic we are going to repeat today, and today we have to find the square root of the following numbers up to 2 and 3 decimal places, correct? So the number is being given to you. We have to calculate its value till 2 and 3 decimal places, means we have to calculate the value in a decimal, correct? So how to calculate? Already two numbers or one number will be given to you. So now as you have to calculate till 3 decimal places, so I have taken a pair of 3 zeros over here. See, 1, 2 and 3 zeros pair I have taken. Now just make these pairs like this, as this is the first step to solve this question. Now first of all, 7 7 is 49 and 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64 is greater, so we took 7 7 is 49, correct? And 7 plus 7 will be 14, and when you subtract you will get here 6. Now copy this 0 0. So this will be 600. Now 14 4s means 144 multiply by 4 will be 576, and 5 will be greater, so we took 4. 4 will be 576. Now what to do? Again subtracted, you will get here 24, and 2 zeros will be copied from upside. So now 1 4, 4 plus 4 will be 8, 1 will be 1481 minus. Now again subtract, you will get here 919, and here what you will get? 1 4 8 and 2, correct? 1 4 8 and 2. Now what we are going to do, I have just solved it, but when you are doing, you have to check 2-3 times that which number is coming less than the given number, not greater than or not equal to. Equal to also it can come in the last, but it has to be less than that the number. So when we check that 14826, 6 will be 89956. 89956, obviously 7 would be greater than that, so 6 I wrote here, so that will be 89956, and the remainder is 1944, correct? Now you have to calculate up to 3 decimal places, so root 55 will be equal to 7.416. This is up to 3 decimal places, and up to 2 decimal places what we have to round it off. Now see, round it off means if this number is 5 or greater than 5, then one number has to be added to the previous digit, correct? So this will be 7.42. 7.42. I hope all of you understood this one. Students, whatever I am explaining, please maintain a notebook for you all and copy all these questions in that notebook, correct? I hope it is clear to all. Now the next one is 72.72. see, 72.72, I have taken it here. Now what I have done, I have taken again 3 pairs of 0, 1 2 3 in order to calculate it, and so I have written it earlier only. Now I made the pairs like this. This is our first step. So now 8 8s are 64. All of you know this much. What is 8 8s is 64, and 9 9s is 81, and 9 9s 81 will be greater than 72, so I took 8 8s are 64. Now 8 and 8 will be 16, correct? 8 and 8 will be 16. Now what to do? 165, 5s will be 825, 5s will be 825, so remainder will be 47, and 0 0 will be copied from here. So 5 5 10, 150, and 2 and 2. So now 1702 multiplied by 2 will be 3404, and if you multiply it by 3, then it would be greater than that. So 2 I took, that is 3404. Now just subtract it again, you will get here 1296, and 2 zeros will be copied from upside. Now see what to do. Again added 1704, 7s. See, 8s I have done, so 8s is greater than this number. So what I have done now, I have multiplied by 7s. So 7s is 117, 119, 329, okay? 119, 329, I have written it here. So 7 I have written over here. Now again what to do, just add it 1504, 15054. Now 6s. 6s is 1023276, correct? Again the remainder will come, and like this it will goes on. It is you cannot get here the remainder 0. So that's why they are repeating itself. They are the repeating decimals, correct? So they will continue as it is, and the process of division you cannot stop. So we have to calculate the answer till 2 or 3 decimal places. So what we get here? We get here 8.5276. Up to 3 decimal places, up to 3 will be, this one is greater than 5, so 0.528. And up to 2 decimal places, again 8 is greater than 5. So 8.53 is your answer. I hope it is clear to all. Now coming to the next question is, we have see 0.6, correct? So now what I did, again I have to take the pairs. So I took 3 pairs, 1 0, 2 zeros, and 6 was already there, so I added only 1 0. So altogether I have 3 pairs over here. So first of all zeros are that I put, and then decimal. Now see, 7 7s are 49 and 8 8s are 64. 64 will be greater than 60, so 7 7s are 49. Second step, to add 7 to 7. 7 and 7 will be 14. Now the remainder will be 11 and 2 zeros will be copied from upside. So 147 are 147, 7s will be 1029. 1029 I have written over here, and then I have subtracted, I got here 7100. Now just added 154. Now again I took it 4. So 154, 4s will be 166, 176, and the remainder will be 924. And like this, as I told you, this will goes on when you will keep on dividing it. So now up to 3 decimal places we get under root 0.6 is equals to 0.744, correct? And up to 2 decimal places will be now 4. Here 4 is smaller than 5, so no need to add 1. So the answer will be 0.77 will be your final answer. Now see students, only 2 questions I am giving you today for your assignment, and it's my request to you all, please all of you maintain your proper notebook and keep on doing your work properly. Still after so many calls to you all, many of you are not submitting your assignments on time. So please be punctual and be regular with your work, otherwise you all will have to suffer for that. Thank you all.